Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Chef Shak channel again. Today's recipe, we are making omelette cabbage, and as you know that in omelette we put onions and chili and all these things. That's gonna go in there, but it's cabbage is a new thing, and we're gonna make it with the cabbage. Okay. And before I start, I'm gonna tell you about my ingredient, and if you miss anything, you can follow my ingredient end of the video. Okay, shall we start now? Okay guys, I'm using some cheese. You can use any cheese with you can available to you. I got some onions, got some chili paste. It's a very hot chili paste, so I'm gonna use just a little bit on there. I got some black pepper, I got salt, I got some tomatoes, I got some coriander, I got red pepper, and there's a cabbage. I've boiled a little bit cabbage to make it softer, right? And I've got some cumin powder, and I've got some egg. Okay, shall we start now? Okay guys, starting. Now I'm gonna use a cabbage. Red pepper, use some tomatoes, some onion, and I got some coriander. Using a half a spoon of green chili paste, and it's depend up to you. If you want to hot, you can put more chili, or if you want to mild, you can put less chili. Okay. I have some black pepper. Just I'm using 1 spoon black pepper, salt, 1 teaspoon salt, and got cumin powder, 1 tablespoon, and I use some 3 eggs. Gonna mix this. Okay guys, it's ready. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some butter in there, and just a little bit olive oil. So, you know, again, oil stop burning the butter. Okay guys, it's, our oil is ready. I'll put this on low heat. Okay friend, I'm just gonna put lid on top here. Just gonna put the lid for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, well, one side is ready. So what I'm gonna do this other side. I'm gonna flip over. Yeah. So okay guys, and we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes to cook the other side. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some cheese on here. Now I'm just gonna half is I'm gonna turn over. Okay guys, this is ready. Now I'm gonna dish out this. Okay guys, this is my omelette with the cabbage is ready. You can serve with the beans or anything you like it. So I'll show you in the middle. So you got all the cheese in there. Okay. The smell is coming very nice. Very nice and very delicious. Please try this at home. If you like it, please let me know in comments and what you think about it. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.